On October 10th, President Trump announced an additional 100% tariff on Chinese goods starting November 1st, raising the total tariff rate to 130% to 145%. This news triggered a collapse across financial markets, with the cryptocurrency market experiencing its most severe crash in history, evaporating hundreds of billions of dollars in market value within 24 hours. Countless investors faced liquidations, and their life savings vanished. Even more shocking, many well-informed traders opened short positions on major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum 20 to 30 minutes before Trump's speech, reaping massive profits. Some accounts earned tens of millions, even billions, of dollars, reinforcing what I've said in previous videos. You can learn about and engage with cryptocurrencies to understand their trading mechanics, but absolutely avoid investing or speculating in them. As investments, they lack a value anchor. As speculative assets, you cannot match the information symmetry of market manipulators. I've personally seen friends get rich speculating on cryptocurrencies and others go bankrupt. As a programmer, I understand their technical principles early on and could develop crypto-related applications, but I've never heavily invested, let alone speculated, in them. I only use stablecoins as a key asset hedge and an alternative transaction channel. In my Mr. Hunzi channel, I've posted numerous videos discussing how the Trump family issues cryptocurrencies to profit through presidential power. I assert that the person behind this money-making scheme is Elon Musk, who hyped Dogecoin. I predict they will continue leveraging power for profit without stopping. Their main profit avenues include manipulating stock markets, bond markets, futures, and cryptocurrencies through insider information, issuing cryptocurrencies, securing government contracts, and intervening in corporate deals. For instance, Oracle CEO Larry Ellison profited immensely from the TikTok deal, securing a stable cash flow business. He is one of Trump's major supporters. Though Elon Musk and Trump have had disputes and public spats, they reconciled for mutual benefit. Musk has gained substantial real-world profits, with SpaceX becoming NASA's most relied-upon supplier. In April 2025, before Trump announced global tariffs, many insiders shorted the stock market and profited. He later paused tariffs on most countries, and those with advance information went long, earning another fortune. Ordinary retail investors were ruthlessly harvested. However, since U.S. stocks are a haven for many, with less leverage than the crypto market, the impact on long-term investors was minimal. They can hold stocks and sell when prices recover. The real victims were leveraged speculators. With over 3 years left in Trump's term, such events will likely increase. I've emphasized in videos that whether America becomes great again is uncertain, but the Trump family and their backers will amass wealth. Trump shows little regard for Congress or other oversight bodies, publicly criticizing the United Nations for not hiring his companies for maintenance, citing broken microphones and elevators. He has repeatedly held international meetings at his properties, earning easy money. Under his influence, America's far right often launches witch hunts, and even traditional Republicans hesitate to oversee him, let alone others. In November last year, when I started my English channel, I predicted Trump's victory due to his stronger mobilization and all-in approach. After Musk joined, I stated clearly that if they lost, both face jail time. Trump carries dozens of charges, and Musk isn't clean either. Thus, after winning, Trump prioritizes personal profit over campaign promises. These videos are in the USA playlist on the Mr. Hunzi channel. Interested viewers can check them to verify my claims. For someone whose family business could collapse and face imprisonment if defeated, Trump's second term focuses on self-enrichment, not voter promises. He offers supporters ideological rhetoric but ignores their practical interests. The American blue-collar workers and Midwestern farmers who voted for him are now suffering. Due to the prolonged China-US tariff war, they face unemployment and bankruptcy risks. They can only post videos on TikTok lamenting their plight, with no better options. This video sets the stage for future discussions. We must understand that in a digitized, information-driven world, especially with accelerating AI advancements. The gap between ordinary people and those with power and wealth is widening. In their eyes, we are transparent data, mere leaks awaiting harvest. They don't need to ponder when or how to reap us. They use their authority to access our data, analyze it with AI models, and determine the optimal harvest method and timing. These are the world's true controllers, and we ordinary people cannot resist them. Our only option is to recognize our role as leaks, with the sickle in the hands of the elite. To avoid being harvested, we must stay out of their sight and remain low-key. Alternatively, we can see ourselves as rabbits, with the elite as hunters. Building multiple exits and entrances for our burrows is the best defense, not naively expecting hunters' mercy. While AI empowers the elite to harvest us, it also offers us significant benefits. With AI, we can quickly bridge the critical gap with the elite, information, or knowledge. AI enables us to access essential societal data. By developing analytical frameworks, we can use AI to master basic survival skills. However, this requires a fundamental methodology for understanding the world. AI can make smart people live more comfortably, but it cannot change our leak-like nature. As for becoming the sickle, if I knew how, I wouldn't be making YouTube videos. I'd be wielding the sickle, reaping profits,